Hello guys, have you ever actually wondered how much YouTube paid for 500 views? I know you have been seeing how much YouTube paid for 1,000, 20,000, 100,000 views, and in today's video I'm going to disclose to you on my YouTube studio how much YouTube actually pay for 500 views. This actually depends on the niche. We are going to also see if it's really worth your time being a YouTuber or not. And in this video I'm also going to break it down for you to see how the YouTube ad revenue works. You will also see what actually affects your earning and the real numbers behind small view videos. So stick around because the result might surprise you. How does YouTube pay creators? And before we go into the numbers, let's break it down. Number one is ad revenue, where you make money through the ad that runs in your video. And this depends on your CPM, which means cost per 1,000 impression, and RPM, which means revenue per 1,000 views. CPM is what advertisers pay per 1,000 views, while RPM is what you actually earn after YouTube cuts. Other factors are your niche, your audience location, your engagement, and your video length. Let me not prolong this. Let's go into my YouTube studio. Let me show you all these things. This is my YouTube studio. As you can see here, this is studio and this is video analytics. When it comes to my reach, the reach of this video, like I said, a video of 500 views, and this is the impression, and you can see the impression is 7.5k, and the impression click-through rate of this video is 5.9. And when you check here, you will see that it's okay. And you come to the view, like I said, it's a video of 500 views. Then the unique viewers I got from this video, and who are the unique viewers? Say the estimated number of people that watch your content within the selected date range. So this is the unique viewers. When you come down here, you will also see that this is how viewers find this video, and you say traffic source, which is a YouTube future, direct or unknown, YouTube search, suggested video, and others, which I told you, if your video is not being suggested by YouTube, I've done a video on that. Please go and watch that video so that you will learn or know what I always do, so that my video can be suggested. As you can see here, I get views from suggested videos. Now you see impression and how they lead to your watch time. Here, like I said, that I have 7,500 impression, which 98% of this video is from YouTube recommendation, YouTube recommending your content, like as you see here. And I also made a video about, if YouTube is not recommending your video, this is what you should do. Please go and watch that video so that you can learn. And when we are talking about YouTube recommending video, you will not think that we're not saying the truth. So this is 94% of this from YouTube recommending this my content. So go and watch that video to know what I did. Then the view from impression, which is 445. Then watch time from impression, which is, as you can see, I have watch hour 8, almost 9 watch hour from this particular video. External sites, Google and Bing. I don't know how I don't know how I come about this Bing, but this Google, that is to say that if they type the topic, that means in Google search, if they type the topic of this video, my own video will also come out. That is why you can see it here. Then you say watch hours for monetization, which is 25%. That is why this video was able to earn something. If I want to be going down, we are going to, this video will be too long. So let's go to the engagement of this video. The engagement of this video, 11.2 watch hour, and average view duration of this video is 1.7, which is less typical, is less than usual. So I don't know what I did. Maybe there are things I was saying that the viewers that don't like, that made them to lose interest in that particular one. Okay, this is it here. That means they were okay, and when they get to this point, they were no longer interested in what I was saying. So that is why the average view duration of that video is low, and 45% of viewers are still watching at around 0 0:30 mark. So you come to audience, and the audience of this video, returning viewers is 14 people, and unique viewers is 461, and I got 9 subscribers from this video, which that means they are interested in what I was saying. But I don't know why they were watching only 1 minute plus, because if 9 people subscribe to this video, that means they are interested in what I was saying. So this is then you come to top geography area, people that mostly watch this video. We have Nigerians 18%, United States, India, UK, and South Africa. They are the ones that that watches this video, and I have a lot of subtitles in this video. Now let's go to the main thing that brought us here, which is the revenue of this video. And the revenue, this video have generated $1, $1 9 cents, which is okay for me. If a video of 500 views can get me $1, now let's ask why this video made that $1. The performance of this video, why did it make $1? So that means I'm supposed to have a $2 per every 1,000 views of that video. And how much advertisers pay? They pay $6 in this video. That is how much advertisers pay in this video. So how do I earn from this video? I earn by ad type, which is a skippable ad, a display ad, bumper ad, a non-skippable ad, and so on and so forth and so on. So you have seen that a video of 500 views can actually get me $1. And now I want to ask you, and I want you to drop it in the comment section, is it worth being a YouTuber? To me, yes, it's a win-win for me. It's worth being a YouTuber. If you have watched to this time and you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hit your notification bell so that when I bring up new updates, you will be able to see it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.